Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to mute someone on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you want to declutter your feed or take a break from someone's posts, muting is a quick and discreet solution. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to launch it. Step 2. Find the user you want to mute. You can do this by searching for their username in the search bar, or navigating to their profile directly from your feed. Step 3. Once you're on their profile page, look for the 3 dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open a menu with additional options. Step 4. From the menu, select the option labeled Mute. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about muting this account. Step 5. Tap Yes, I'm sure to confirm your action. And that's it. The user is now muted, meaning their posts and activities will no longer appear in your feed. Don't worry, muted users won't be notified that you've muted them. Muting someone is a great way to customize your experience on X without unfollowing or blocking anyone. It's perfect for keeping your timeline focused and tailored to what matters most to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience on X.